Alright, gentlemen, I shall be sharing my way of trading. The way the trades I took on 28th of September, I had very decent profit of around 10,000. Please go through the complete video. It will brainstorm you and it will change your perception of trading as well. For me, the identification of buyers and sellers is the foremost thing to make money in options buying. अगर आप ऑप्शन बाइंग में पैसा बनाना चाहते हैं तो आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ बायर्स एंड सेलर्स इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. सेकेंडली, मैंने कई फिन इन्फ्लुएंसर्स या यूट्यूबर्स और इंस्टाग्राम के जो भी लोगों को मैंने देखा है, दे टेल यू certain type of pattern trading wherein they tell you कि M pattern, W pattern, flag and pole pattern, फलाना pattern, दिखाना pattern, and they tell you कि जब ये बन जाए तो ये ट्रेड लो, जब ये बन जाए तो वो ट्रेड लो. जस्ट जेंटलमैन, प्लीज़ थिंक ऑन योर लाइन्स कि लेट सपोज कोई पैटर्न बनता है एंड इफ़ यू आर सीइंग इट एज अ बाय, आप देखते हो कि यहाँ पे बाई करना चाहिए. अगर आप देख रहे हो कि बाई करना चाहिए, देन एवरी अदर रिटेलर इज सीइंग इट एज अ बाय. If every retailer is seeing it as a buy, then big boy is also seeing it as a buy. When big boy is seeing it as a buy and retailer is seeing it as a buy, then everybody is buying. When everybody is buying, then whom are we buying it from? हम किससे खरीद रहे हैं या फिर हम किसको बेच रहे हैं? This is not the way the stock market works. अगर कोई खरीद रहा है तो कोई बेचना चाहिए. तो बेसिकली, एंड सेकेंडली, इफ़ यू थिंक कि इफ लेट सपोज समबडी हैज़ बिलियंस एंड बिलियंस ऑफ फंड्स एंड देर आर लैक्स ऑफ पीपल जो दिन भर स्टॉक मार्केट में आँख लगा के रखते हैं, एंड डू यू थिंक दे आर वेटिंग फॉर सम पैटर्न टू फॉर्म एंड देर आफ्टर दे विल टेक अ ट्रेड? नो, आई डोंट थिंक सो. सो आई शैल बी शेयरिंग माई वे ऑफ ट्रेडिंग, हाउ आई टेक ट्रेड्स. सो इससे पहले मैं बताऊँ कि प्रीवियस 2 सेशंस, लाइक for Thursday, the Wednesday session and the Tuesday session will work as the identification of immediate buyers and sellers. ये बहुत काम करेगा आपके बायर्स एंड सेलर्स को बताने के लिए. तो अगर देखिए हम वेडनेसडे की मार्केट में जाते हैं तो वी सी की बायर्स आर एंड सेलर्स वर हेयर. दी सेलर्स वर हेयर, बट थर्सडे को मार्केट ओपन होता है ऊपर. यानी कि इससे पहले इससे इमीडिएट सेलर्स कहाँ पे है? इससे इमीडिएट सेलर्स बैठे हैं यहाँ पे, जो मार्केट को यहाँ तक नीचे लेके आए. दैट मीन्स दिस गाय इज़ क्वाइट स्ट्रॉन्ग. एंड दिस गाय इज़ क्वाइट स्ट्रॉन्ग, देन वी नीड टू लुक फॉर दिस गाय कि ये किस तरह बिहेव कर रहा है. मुझे देखना पड़ेगा कि ये किस तरह बिहेव कर रहा है बिफोर आई टेक अ ट्रेड. अगर ये कमज़ोर हो जाता है देन वी कैन गो फॉर अ सी ट्रेड. अगर ये स्ट्रॉन्ग है देन वी शुड गो फॉर अ पी ट्रेड. तो थर्सडे की बात करें तो हमारे बायर्स यहाँ पे हैं और सेलर्स, एज आई टोल्ड कि सेलर्स आर इन दिस पोजीशन. सेलर्स आर ऑलमोस्ट हेयर. सो मार्केट ऊपर खुलता है एंड इट मेक्स अ डोजी सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग, and the market makes some sort of a doji candle and we see ki the volume is okay. The next immediate candle, if you see, it's a red candle. That means हमारे sellers strong हैं. The other next candle is also a doji but red. That means sellers are strong. The next candle that is formed is green candle and that is also doji and the volume has gone down. That means our sellers are still strong and the buyers at these levels, and that means the buyers here are not quite strong. Had they been strong, they would have taken the market upside because morning में market ऊपर जाता है और it makes a trending move. They would have taken the market down. The macros, the general sentiments of the market were negative, and so that as per which I took a trade here, a PE trade here, and came till here. I exited almost here, maybe here or here, but I was able to make a profit of around 7,000 rupees because I exited because buyers were actually here. When buyers were actually here, so there is no point in going for a theta decay. And if you must be thinking कि the market could have gone this way also. Yes, I understand market could have gone this way direction, okay, but these candles जो रेड कैंडल बन रहे हैं, तो ये कैंडल्स थोड़े से ऊपर बनते, ये कैंडल्स यहाँ पे बनते, यहाँ पे बनते, यहाँ पे बनते, then I should have seen the movement of the behavior of the seller who is here. अगर वो वीक पड़ जाता तो I would have wait, मैं वेट करता उसका और उसके बाद मैं ट्रेड लेता. That is my way of trading, and could be different for different everybody, but please use this kind of logic in taking a trade. The next trade which I took here was here, this trade, and I was able to make a decent profit of around 4,000 approximately. So the logic was कि market came crashing down from here. The market came crashing down from here. If you look at the volume of this candle, it is around 3.95 million, and the market took a support here. The market took support here, basically, which tells you कि the market was like down, and thereafter, if you see, the volume was okay. The market immediately made a green candle. If the market made a green candle here, and look at the volume is only 7 to 7.594k, which is quite lesser for somebody to break this guy, because this guy was quite strong. This volume was very less. I had to wait. The next candle was red candle. That means I knew कि if this guy is strong, then again green candle was formed, and uska bhi volume was very, very less as compared to the previous candle. That means the red candle, this guy will again come very strongly, and he came actually, and the market went down, came till here. I exited somewhere down there, and I had a decent profit around 3,000 or 4,000. I don't remember exactly. And the next other trade I took was, I think I did a scalping trade over here or here, and I think the logic was same. The logic was same as told to you. So this is the way I take trades, and just a brief. Please understand that the identification of buyers and sellers is very, very important when somebody has to take a trade. That is all from my side. Please, if you like this video or anything you need me to explain, please do comment and do let me know what kind of information you want and how to actually identify buyers and sellers. I'll try to make a video on this. Secondly, this area, I've come across this whole area per se. It is basically illusion that market creates, wherein somebody feels, almost everybody feels कि it could be a higher high sequence, and people are gearing for a P or a C, but market makes a complete reverse. So this is a different sort of a thing. We'll discuss in further videos. Thank you. Please do like the video, and please do share if you feel the way I have took trades are really helpful. Thank you.